Did you know cars are bad for the environment? Sorry, trees.
Cars don't affect trees that much because air pollution.
Oh. Mom, what is air pollution?
Cars release dangerous gases and they make the air dirty.
If the gases are dangerous, shouldn't we be scared?
Yes, but you don't have to worry about that.
Ma, if the gases
Araf,
dangerous.
don't talk while you're taking the inhaler.
Ma,
Araf. Yes, Araf, you were saying?
tomorrow I will tell my teacher about air pollution.
How exciting.
You didn't tell me.
He couldn't. He just loves school so much.
I wish we didn't have to, but the doctor says it's too risky for him. I hardly forget that night.
Araf, what happened?
He can have another attack in school. The doctor says we cannot take that risk.
But he will get better in a few months.
Let's hope so.
Araf, get up, rise and shine. Come on, it's 10 in the morning.
Oh, please, Ma, why do I have to get up so early when I don't have to go to school?
Araf.
Call for PO Box 12439 Karachi. Keep watching Adventure Time.
October, November, 1 month. Ma, I'm getting bored.
Araf, do your homework.
Why do I have to do my homework if I'm not going to school?
Your brain will shrink.
You're serious?
Okay, from now on, we'll take your homework to the rooftop.
Now it seems like it's a Tyrannosaurus Rex face looking cloud. How are you today, Pinky? How are you today, Leafy?
Should I be worried that he talks to plants?
No, I don't think so. I think it's very good that you have brought him here so often. He was getting very depressed at home.